Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a missing release to your Musixmatch catalog. If you're an artist and your song isn't showing up, follow these steps to get it added quickly. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Log into Musixmatch Pro account. First things first, log into your Musixmatch Pro account. If you don't have one, make sure to sign up to access all the professional features. Step 2. Navigate to your artist page. Step 3. Tap on the Music tab. Step 4. Scroll down through your tracks and click on View All. This will expand the list and show you every song associated with your artist profile. Step 5. Search for your song in this expanded list to see if it's already available on Musixmatch. Step 6. If you don't find your song, don't worry. Click on the Add Missing Release link. This will start the process of adding your new track. Step 7. You'll be asked to provide the Spotify album link and the Apple Music album link for your track. These links are essential for verifying your release. Step 8. Head over to Spotify and Apple Music, find your album, copy the links, and paste them into the respective fields on Musixmatch. Step 9. Once you've entered the links, click the Send button to submit your request. Step 10. After you send your request, the Musixmatch team will review it. Once it's approved, your song will be added to your catalog. This usually doesn't take long, so keep an eye out. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to manage and promote your music online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.